Welcome to Cardwell's Estate Agents, open 7 days a week if you would like to view the following property.
Welcome to this fantastic ground floor 3-bedroom apartment in this unique and very elegant building, having lovely gardens, gated entrance and allocated parking. We go into the communal hall. There are only 7 apartments within this building, and I have the pleasure of showing you around number 3. So we enter to the private entranceway. Alarm. There is a very useful utility area in here with washing machine and central heating boiler. That's the master bedroom through there. We'll come back to that in a second. So in here we have the main living space. Open plan. Lounge, dining, kitchen. Fitted appliances. Fridge, freezer, dishwasher, gas hob, electric oven, extractor and the like. The particular interest of this apartment is this private outdoor area that belongs to the property. Nice views. And as you can see, a really good sized outdoor space, which is hard to find on a lot of apartments these days. Although it is an apartment, it is on the ground floor, so it would also suit those perhaps looking for a bungalow. Again, you have outdoor space. We have 2 bedrooms at this side of the building, or the apartment rather. Nicely presented, vaulted ceilings. The window here just overlooks the garden area that I've just shown you. So this is a sort of separate wing, if you like, off the main living space. Nice modern main bathroom with shower. And then bedroom 3 in terms of size does have a Velux window there. Again, vaulted ceiling. Really nicely designed, well thought out. As we move through to the master bedroom, back into the hallway. So a lot of privacy from the other 2 bedrooms. This is the main bedroom. Again, overlooks the outdoor space. Good size, plenty of room for a double bed and units. And here we have a dressing area. So again, this would support wardrobes and the like, through to a lovely and modern 3-piece ensuite. All in all, a very delightful property, which, as I say, could also appeal to those looking for bungalows. We're just further up the road there, we've got Elton Vale Sports Club, and then we go into Ainsworth Lane, Ainsworth Road. So yeah, lovely building. And this is, I think, the largest apartment within the conversion. Beautiful property. If you're interested in viewing, give us a call 0161 761 1215 and we'll be delighted to show you around.
Should you wish to view this property or have a valuation on your own, please visit us at cardwells.co.uk or alternatively via the contact details on screen.